Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S24 Ultra with a cracked display and it's not looking right. Let's go fix it. So we have here the S24 Ultra with a cracked corner, and really it busted the entire screen. You can see there it's flickering, showing us random lines. Not really usable. Can't even access the home screen, but we have here our replacement display. Just the display, no housing this time. Typically, when we replace flagship Galaxy screen, we tend to replace also the housing, but this time we have a main housing with front display and back glass cover. The back glass cover is not damaged, so we'll make sure it stays that way. We're gonna slowly remove it. So we'll remove this so that we can access the connector for the front display, because the flex cable is routed through the housing. And also it allows us to remove and detach the battery so the phone is properly shut down, or there's no power running through the main board while we're doing the disassembly. We are going to remove some screws for the mainboard cover and the wireless charging module. We'll detach this one, and let's go like that. We have the main battery in the middle, mainboard up top with 4 main lenses for the camera, and the daughter board at the bottom for charging. And also see the S Pen on the right side. So that's 24 Ultra. If you heard that the Galaxy Note series has been discontinued, this is the successor for the Galaxy Note series. So the Galaxy Note has been discontinued. You now have these bigger Galaxy S series smartphones to replace those discontinued models. It's still big. You can see there that it's got the S Pen like the old Notes, and got the big battery and the big display compared to your usual S24. So the display, we cracked it some more, but we are not going to reuse that. We already have the replacement. You have the connector there. You can see as we pull it from the front, you can see there's a connector, very thin one, going through the housing that's connecting to the main board. So we'll just slice through the adhesive here. It's not been opened before, so it's kind of stubborn. Very robust adhesive and sticky. So we are using some alcohol to soften it up and make the pull out of the old display easier. We'll cover this up. We will grind off some bent aluminum on this corner where the main crack originated and clean it up so that we get rid of the aluminum shavings from the internal components. And we'll put our own liquid adhesive now that the housing is clean. So this is not gonna be waterproof anymore, so the S24 is rated for water and dust resistance. With this adhesive, we can't really guarantee that, but we can guarantee that it will make the installation robust for daily use. So it's not rated for the same IP rating. We also have this tape for this part only. There you go. Not too little, not too much. And we'll install the new display. Since we ground off that bent aluminum on the side, it sits nicely over the housing and it looks like nothing happened. We'll connect the display connector, reconnect the cables for the daughter board and the main board, and we will cover this up and test it. We haven't really tested the display, so we'll find out if this was worth it. But we have our Samsung Galaxy expert here. David knows tons about Samsung devices, so it's not gonna be a new thing for him. He's also making it look efficient. If I'm gonna do this on my own, I'm definitely gonna damage some parts, and it's gonna take me 3 hours maybe to complete the repair. This one just took like under an hour. So it's just a straight swap of the broken display and putting in a new one. So at this point, visual inspection still looks good. Turn this on. It's taking a while. There you go. It boots up straight away. So we'll perform some tests, and including the cameras, buttons. But if the client doesn't want us to go into the home screen, that can be also arranged. We will not go further than what is allowed. This is the back cover, and look at that. Nothing happened, right? Nothing happened. New display made this smartphone look brand new again. There you go. Galaxy S24, man. The design is sublime. And we'll put a protective film. This is not tempered glass. This is just a thin layer of plastic for the display, and we'll install this as a freebie for the customer, and we'll give it back to them so they can test it. There you go. You remove the top layer, and just a pro application. Thanks for joining, guys. Visit us in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you're interested on this type of repair, you can also mail in your broken smartphone if you're not from Sydney. We're done. Thanks for joining, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.